third lick, first part. So we're going to slide on a G string to the 11th fret, 10th, a B, and then 12th B full bend with a vibrato. Then we do a double stop. So we're on the G, 11th, and on the B, on the E, on the 10th. Then we switch the index finger with the ring finger. We're now on 12th B, 12th G, and E. We hit this, okay, and slide down, let it ring out. And then we'll go up here. Now I gotta switch the camera a little bit. There we go. So we just finished. So here I'm using the pick. It's a hybrid picking, which we've done in other lessons. So pick, and then hit it with your ring finger. We just hit the G and the E string. So we go from the 5th fret. Then we change configuration. We go middle finger and ring finger on the 2nd fret, G and E.